In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use GPTease to help you write a fan site bio. Let's get into it. When you get inside GPTease, this is what you're going to see inside the dashboard of the chat interface. You're going to see some suggested prompts to get started. You're going to see this icon here to get to our prompt library, where you can test and try one of our pre-created prompts. Then you're going to see on the left here your chat history of past chats that you've done on GPTease, the button here at the top to start a new chat, and then you're going to see the chat box interface here at the bottom. And then on the bottom left, you're going to see your profile icon where you could address your billing, your personalization, and so much more. Usually for these tutorials, I prompt GPTs myself using a prompt that I just freely write. But for this scenario, we're going to use one of the pre-made prompt templates. So let's navigate into the prompt library. If you scroll down, you're going to see the prompt template for a fan site bio. Select that to continue. Now you're going to see the prompt pre-fill inside the chat box, and it says, write me a bio for my fan site / OnlyFans based on my personalization profile, my niche, and my content genre. Now, if you haven't filled out personalization, this is going to be key to getting you the best possible outcome with GPTs just in general. GPTs really wants to know who you are as a creator, your brand, the way you write, the emojis you use. This is why personalization is so important. Also, inside your personalization, which you can edit right here, when you click on it, you have the ability to add keywords that describe you as a creator and keywords that describe your content, and that's really important here. That is the part of the personalization that is trying to pull from my niche and my content genre. Now, once you have personalization filled out, you can use this prompt and click this icon to send it or hit the enter button. What's going to happen is GPTease is going to start to generate two responses. Response 1 on the left, which is a very instructional response, trying to give you exactly what you asked for. And response 2 on the right is a more creative response. It's going to think a little bit outside the box, but still get you to exactly what you're looking for. Now, you're going to have to select a response to continue. You won't be able to prompt GPTease again unless you select a response. You're going to see this black box here instead of the normal send icon until you select one. So we're going to read through both of these responses and select which one we like the best. Okay, so based on this, I really like this second, more creative response, so I'm going to select it. What you'll see happen is that response will now fill the entire screen. And if you scroll back to the top, you're going to see your original prompt that you sent, and you're going to see the response that you chose. If you scroll down to the bottom of the response, you'll see a couple icons here in the bottom left. You'll see the copy icon to copy this so that you can use it in your fan site bio. You'll see this share icon so that you can share either the entire chat, this prompt and the response, or the AI response only by creating a link to share it with, say, another creator friend. This last icon here with the arrows is how you can switch back and forth between both the responses, the one you didn't choose and the one you ultimately did. This is really useful if you want to go back to that second non-chosen response and pull bits and pieces that you liked out of it. Now, there you have it. You have your entire fan site bio crafted for you, personalized to everything that describes you as a creator. Some of my personalization features are clearly in this response. Girl next door, vanilla vixen, big, descriptors. And then it goes on to describe exactly how I post to my fan site, what my fans can expect, and so much more. So I hope this will help you create the perfect fan site bio that converts tons of paying subscribers to your platform. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.